Accused Boston bombers' friends due in court on charges of cover-up. Vertical line. Reuters edition. U.S., Arabic, Argentina, Brazil, Canada, China, France, Germany, India, Italy, Japan, Latin America, Mexico, Russia, Spain, United Kingdom. Home, business, business home, economy, media, small business, legal, deals, earnings, business video, the Freeland File, aerospace defense, summits, markets, markets home, U.S. markets, European markets, Asian markets, global market data, indices, stocks, bonds, currencies, commodities, futures, funds, P-Hub, dividends, world, world home, U.S., Brazil, China, Eurozone, Japan, Africa, Mexico, Russia, India. Insight, World Video, Reuters investigates, Decoder, Global Innovations, Politics, Politics Home, Supreme Court, Politics Video, Tech, Technology Home, Media File, Science, Tech Video, Tectonic, Opinion, Opinion Home, John Lloyd, Felix Salmon, Jack Schaffer, David Rode, Nader Moussavezadeh, Nicholas Wackshott, Bethany McLean, Anatole Kalitsky, Zachary Karabell, Edward Hattas, Hugo Dixon, Ian Bremmer, Lawrence Summers, The Great Debate, Ryan Salam, Mark Leonard, Stephen Brill, Alison Frankel, Breaking Views, Equities, Credit, Private Equity, Macro Markets, Politics, Breaking Views Video, Money, Money Home, Tax Break, Lippert Awards, Global Investing, Mutualand, Unstructured Finance, Linda Stern, Mark Miller, John Bosick, James Seft, Analyst Research, Alerts, Watchlist, Portfolio, Stock Screener, Fund Screener, Personal Finance Video, Money Clip, Investing 201, Life, Health, Sports, Arts, Faith. The World, Entertainment, Adly Enough, Cancer in Context, Lifestyle Video, Pictures, Pictures Home, Reuters Photographers, Full Focus, Video, Reuters TV, Reuters News, banner strip. Section content width, 990 px, section content. Grid 12 width, 970 px, section content. Grid 12.80 margin, 0, home page sponsor band, at top and margin bottom, 0 px, banner strip. 80 margin, 0 auto, text align : center, float : none, display : block, width : 970 px. Article, comments 0, search intercept results display : none, search intercept results. Results display, block. Follow Reuters, Facebook, Twitter, RSS, YouTube. Read, judge sentences Delhi rapists to die for gruesome crime. 7:19 a.m. EDT. Exclusive, U.S. total of Syrian gas deaths could include bomb casualties. Sources, September 12, 2013. Al-Qaeda calls for attacks inside United States. 7:25 a.m. EDT. 3 dead as Colorado floods worsen, smashing rainfall records. Vertical line. 4:27 a.m. EDT. Obama to nominate Summers as federal chief, Nikkei. 6:05 a.m. EDT. Discussed. 109 U.S. spy agencies hit out at latest Snowden revelations. 101 Colorado Senate president ousted from office over gun control. 87 direct link between Assad and gas attack elusive for U.S. Pictures. Reuters photojournalism. Our day's top images, in-depth photo essays and offbeat slices of life. See the best of Reuters photography. See more. Vertical line. Photo caption. Philippine rebel standoff. Moro National Liberation Front and NLF rebels seeking to declare an independent state clash with security forces in the southern Philippines.